Hello and welcome to the third and final part of the presentation of my Instagram automation bot. First of all, thank you for the positive feedback and the numerous requests to use the automation. Also, a big thank you to my new subscribers. In the last video, I introduced you to improved user management and new functions such as commenting on comments from accounts. In this video, I show you how to install the bot, new improvements, and a new functionality. So let's start with the new improvements. You will now see another window next to the selection and input field. In this window, you will receive process updates sent directly to the interface, which always tell you which intermediate step the automation is currently at. This makes it possible to start the automation headless. To start on a server. In the code in the file bot_functions.py, I have marked the respective line to activate this. The new functionality represents following the followers of a specific Instagram page. With this function, you can select target group specific accounts and enter the name of the account in the corresponding field. After you have pressed start, the automation goes to the respective Instagram page and follows the first 50 followers of the page. Important: only one account can be entered and this function should only be used once or twice a day, otherwise Instagram will restrict your account. With this function you can, for example, promote your fitness page by following the followers of fitness influencers, as they are more likely to be interested in your page. Might also be interested in your page. Since the demand for the code for the bot from the last video was very high, I decided to publish the GitHub repository. You can find the link to the GitHub repository in the video description. First you need to install Anaconda. There are numerous videos on this topic on the internet. The download link to Anaconda is also included in the description. Simply download the program for your device and follow the instructions in the installation process. After you have installed Anaconda, click on the link in the video description which will take you directly to the GitHub repository. Then download the code as a zip file, copy the zip file to your desktop and unzip it. The next step is to go to Environments in Anaconda and then to Import. Here you select the .yaml file from the downloaded folder and give the environment a name. The name does not matter, you can choose any name you like. Once the import has worked properly, click on the green arrow, which will open a command line. Now go to the command line with cd, as shown in the video, to the downloaded folder. Once there, write python-app.py in the command line and then copy the address shown into the browser. It does not matter which browser you copy the address to. The installation process is now complete and you can now use the bot as shown in the previous videos and this one. If you would like to develop this bot further, I would be happy to hear from you. I will try to keep the automation functional at all times. If something does not work or you need general help, please write your question in the comments. And that's it for this video and the video series. If you have any other automation ideas that you would like me to implement or general ideas for improvement, feel free to write them in the comments. The automation and this video series in general are intended to illustrate what can be achieved with the help of automation. It also demonstrates the uses of process automation and was a learning project for me. Every user should decide for themselves and check how far they can and want to use it. I was able to learn a lot about automation with Python in this video series and hope you like the result as much as I do. I will share more projects on this channel in the future and would be very happy about a like, feedback as a comment or a subscription. And as always at the end of a video, I wish you a nice day.